There are more than 8 billion people living on Earth today, yet every person somehow looks different from every other person. He instantly recognized a friend among many unfamiliar faces. That made him wonder how humans identify faces so quickly. He decided to examine his own face for clues. Maybe tiny facial details were more important than expected. Then he discovered fingerprints were unique for every person. Even similar people carried completely different fingerprint patterns. The mystery seemed bigger, so he continued searching for answers. Ahead of him waited a clue that changed everything forever. Inside the book, he found clues about human genetics. The book explained that DNA guides how every human develops. He learned humans share almost all of their DNA. That discovery completely changed how he viewed humanity. Now he wanted to discover why differences still existed. His journey began by exploring where human history started.
He noticed intense sunlight affected people living near equators. Different environments gradually shaped different human appearances over time. Then he traveled somewhere completely different from the hot savanna. Different climates encouraged humans to adapt in different ways. Next, he noticed humans also have surprisingly different hair. Some hair types help release heat more effectively in hot climates. Other hair types became common in colder environments over time. The environment kept influencing human bodies for thousands of years. Different regions created different challenges for survival and adaptation. He discovered that noses also changed across different populations. Eye features varied too, but humans remained closely related. Many tiny traits combined together to create unique faces. These changes happened slowly across countless generations of humans. He finally understood why humans gradually began looking different.
He discovered people everywhere looked different, yet behaved similarly. Children across the world still laughed, played, and learned. Languages sounded different, but people shared similar emotions. Clothing changed greatly, yet humans remained fundamentally alike. Every culture developed traditions, but families gathered in similar ways. Beneath appearances, human skeletons were almost exactly the same. The same organs worked inside nearly every human body. Their DNA differences were surprisingly tiny compared with similarities. Everyone needed food, rest, safety, and meaningful social connections. The more he learned, the more connected humanity seemed. People everywhere laughed for different reasons, but shared happiness. People also cried when facing loss, pain, or sadness. Fear protected humans from danger long before modern civilization. Friendship formed between strangers despite differences in appearance. Families everywhere protected children and taught them important lessons. Cooperation allowed humans to achieve things impossible alone. After his journey, he looked at humanity differently than before. The differences seemed smaller than the similarities connecting everyone. Our visible differences come from only tiny genetic variations. Despite appearances, humanity remains one remarkably similar global family.